Hello, friend. My name is Bobo Lalit Kumar Reddy. Registration number is 19BEC0853. The course code of this course is ECE3003, and this course name is Microcontroller and its applications. This is about my task one. So the question is write and assemble on 8051 assembly level program to add the following data using the example. Input data is my registration number 19BC0853, like example 019BEC 08 and 53. So the aim of this task 1A subpart is to write an 8051 ALP to perform addition of 5-bit numbers using Kale software, and it's to verify the result manually. Tools required in this are 8051 instruction set and Kale software and P89C51RD2. The algorithm is the load two hexadecimal values to AB among all 5 8-bit numbers, add AB, check for carry. If carry occurs, increment RO value, move accumulator value A to B. Now load third hexadecimal number to A. Continue this process until all 5 hexadecimals are being added. Store the result in RO as carry and A as sum. And this is the flowchart. So the flowchart starts from start, assigning values to accumulators, and after that add mnemonic addition of A to B, which would be stored in A. And after this, shift to the containers that are stored in A to B, and complete it for all 8 to 5 8 assigned numbers, and this is the end. And the program is this one. So I used my registration number in this program. So MOV A hashtag 01H 9BH ECH 08H and 53H. This is my registration number. So while using this code at the end of this output, I will get my registration number. So this is the code of this task, and this is the tabulation. So this mnemonics is every part of this out code. So MOV everything, and no flags are also involved in this instructions. So this is my tabulation form. Yeah. So output register containing this result. This is the manual calculation. I did this in this online calculator. So it transfer x arithmetic to x addition. So decimal form to x of and so see this. This is I used in the digital communication calculator. So this is the result before execution. So of before execution, my code. This is the uh, output observation result, and after execution, this is the code. So you can see that in the output, I am getting my registration number 19BEC0853. After running this code, I will get my registration number in this at the end of this output. This is the last output I am getting. So I will get here 19BC0853. And the inference is find the period of mission cycle for 11.0592 megahertz crystal frequency. So solution is 11.0592 divided by 12 equal to 921.6 kilohertz. Mission cycle is 1 by 921.6 kilohertz equal to 1.085 microseconds. So this is the solution of this mission cycle 1 1 2 2 2 1 4. So all the time to execute. And now the memory required to store this program is 30 bytes. The addressing modes used is direct 1, immediate 8, index 3, registered index 4, registered direct 3. Type of instruction used is data transfer 8, arithmetic 8, boolean 4, flags. I told you that flags are not affected in this, mostly no flags. And this is the tabulation for these flags are affected all the code. And result is the 8051 ALP to perform addition of 5-bit 8-bit number is executed using Kale software, and the results are verified using the manual calculator. And coming to the subpart task 1B, the aim is to write an assembly and 8051 assembly level program to load values in each of the registers RO and R4, and then push each of the registers onto the stack. Also to the single step the program, the examine stack and the SP register after the execution of each instruction using Kale software. Tools required are Kale software, as you know. Algorithm load 5 hexadecimal values in each of the registers RO and R4. push all the values onto the stack. Now this is the flowchart. The flowchart start again assigning values to accumulator using the memory and assign the values to register R1, R4. And then using the push mnemonic force the values into the stack. Debug the program and check the output in register and memory window. And end. The program is input. Yeah, I used my registration number. So 01H, 9BH, ECH, 08H, 53H are the RO, R1, R2, R3, R4. And push is 0, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the tabulation of this code. So each mnemonic I did the tabulation, pop and push. So this is the output before execution. So you can see that my code of before running and after execution, each push will get an output. At last, I will get my registration number 19BC0853. So output is stack pointer containing the result. Stack pointer containing the result is 0 RO equal to 0 into 01, R1 equal to 0 into 9B, R2 is 0 into 0 EC, R3 equal to 0 into 08, R4 equal to 0 into 053. And the inferences is mission cycle, as you know, 11.059 megahertz crystal frequency by dual equal to 921.6 kilohertz. Mission cycle is 1 by 921.6 kilohertz equal to 1.085 microseconds. Time required is, as you know, see this each and every mnemonic time execute time equal to 0.185, mostly at 2.87 to push. And memory used in this required program is 21 bytes. Total amount required to assembly level programming is 16 into 1.086 microseconds equal to 17.376 microseconds. Addressing using modes used is DirectX immediate 5. Types of instructions used is data transfer equal to 10. Flags are not affected. And coming to the result, the 0851 ALP2 load values into each of the registers R1, R4, and then push each of the registers onto the stack is executed by single step the program, and the stack and the SP register after the execution of each instruction is examined using the Kale software. And coming to the task once is the aim is to write an assembly 8051 assembly language program to set SP equal to 0D, load the reference value in each RAM location 0D, 0C, and like so on. Pop each stack location into registers R0 and R4 to use the Kalesoft simulator to single step and examine registers the stack and the stack pointer. Tool required is Kale software. Algorithm is set stack point to 0D, load a different value in each of the RAM locations 0D, 0C, 0B, 0A, 09, and 08. Pop each stack location into registers R0 and R4. Flowchart is start and set stack point as OD. I did this flowchart in online website. Putting the values into the stack by pop mnemonic, we should use the pop and the stored values in the different RAM location back into the register. Repeat the process and debug the program. Open the stack memory by selecting D equal to 00H in the data memory and then program is I used input as my 19BC0853 equal to 0H, 9BH, ECH, 08H, 53H. So in MVOV 09H, all my registration memory. In this, in before 1B, we used push, and in 1C, we are using pop. And this is the tabulation for the code mnemonics. Each one addressing mode used, mission cycle required, memory byte, all this includes in this tabulation. So I did this tabulation in the given website. And the results and observation using snip of the 8051 assembly level programming before execution is this one. And after the execution, you can see that I'll get my registration number in the output. And this is for the pop one, you can see, and this is for the pop two, and this is for the pop three, like that. So at the last, I'll get my registration number as I given the input as my registration number inference. As you know, in each different task, find the period of the mission cycle 8051. So it is divided by 12 equal to 921.6 kilohertz. Time required to execute each instruction given in the table. So these are the instructions. So this is the code pop. So you can see the time to execute in microseconds. And this amount required to use store the program in This is 23 bytes, and the addressing modes used is direct 7, immediate 5. Types of instruction used is data transfer 11. Flags are not affected in this program. Result: the 8051 ALP to perform a POP operative for 5 8-bit numbers is executed using KL software, and the results are verified manually. And coming to the task 1D, aim is to write and assemble a 8051 assembly level program to load values in each of the registers R1, R4, and then push each of the registers onto the stack and pop them back. Also, the single step the program and examine the stack and SB registered after the execution of each instruction. Tools required is scale software. 8051 has an instruction set algorithm. Load all 5 hexadecimal values in each of the registers R0, R4. Push each of the registers onto the stack, pop them back, and the flow chart. Start and assign the values to accumulator, mnemonic assign to the values to R0 to R4 by using push mnemonic force values onto the stack by pop. So in this we use both pop and push. Each values will be pushed into the stack. Debug the program, check the output registered in the memory window. And this is the program. So as you see, the input is 19BC0853. It's my registration number. So you see in this code, we use both push and pop. As you know that registration number is the input. So MOV RO equal to 0. It's all this in the previous codes also. So this is the tabulations. So each instruction mnemonics will be given in this tabulation. Time required, memory use, all this. So this is the observation. The first one you see is it is before execution. So this is the code, and after execution is you can see that after execution my registration number will be visible in this output. So for each pop and push I have done the output execution. So you can see that each one I will get my registration number in the output. And the inferences find the period of the mission cycle is as you same in the same task 11.0592 divided by 12 equal to 921.6 kilohertz. Mission cycle is 1 by 921.6 equal to 0.85 microseconds. The memory used in this required to store program is 31 bytes. The total amount of time required to assembly level is program equal to 26 into 1.086 microseconds equal to 28.236 microseconds. Addressing modes used is direct and immediate 5. Types of instructions used. Data transfer 15. Flags affected. No flags are affected in this program. And the result is the 8051 ALP to perform a push and pop operative of 8. 5 8-bit number is executed at once. Use KL software and results are verified manually. And coming to the task, last task to task 1E, aim to write an 8051 assembly level program to add 10 bytes BCD data and store the result in R2 and R3. So the bytes in ROM space starting at 300 heads. Tools required is as you know, KL software algorithms set data pointer at 300 heads location, add 10 bytes of BCB data, store the result in R2 and R3 registers. Flowchart start and from the starting take 10 bytes of BCD data and store them in DB. Move the data pointer to 300 heads, store the result in R2 and R3 registers. Debug the program, check the output in registers memory window on the end. So input, as you know, I given my registration number in every out program. So 0 1 it's all everything, and this one the register also count register to 10 to or 0 and this is the our code, and the DB you see here is 01H or 9BH 08H 53H. So again it continues like that, and this is the tabulation for every mnemonic in the program given. As you know, everything it will be here. In this task also no flags are involved or affected, and this is the output before execution. So you see before execution the code is given in the scale software, and after execution this is the output. So now you can see in every output my registration number will be visible in our output. So these are the registers R1, R2, 0 to all this one, and this is my registration number visible in this output. And amount used is required to store the program is 21 bytes. Total number of time required to assembly level program is 18 into 0.186 microseconds equal to 19.458 microseconds. Addressing modes used is direct 1, immediate 5, index 2, restart 3, arithmetic 3, branching 1, boolean 1. And types of instructions used is data transfer 3, logical 1. Flags affected or mostly no flags are affected in this program. And this result is the 8051 ALP to perform a push and pop operative is executed on the ones using Kale software, and the results are verified manually. And this is the end of this task. Thank you guys for listening to my task.